So this is my longly overdue bike check. Let's grab it right here. There. Alright, so let's start off with the front. I have the stock We the People tires that come with it. Oh yeah, this is a We the People reason frame. I just took off all the stickers. Stock tires and stock forks. This is a We the People, I don't know what it is. It's got pinkish purple stem. These are the premium Garrett Reynolds whiskey bars. These are like a purple premium grips. I don't know, they're really comfortable. They fit well in your hand. It's nice. Yeah. This is the Odysey wolf seat. It's like bluish purple. You kind of can't see it right here. It's like a purple outline. Yeah. Purple demolition seat post, which is usually not that high, but I raised it just so I could for this video. Odysey jc.pc pedals. They're nice. I believe they're sealed, but they're nice. I like them. Yeah. The salt cranks come with it. Nice 3-piece cranks. The salt double wheel comes stock with it, or double wall, same thing. The same treads or tire that come with it. KMC, just a normal little black chain. A salt, it's called sprocket, yeah. 9-tooth, 25. So I got it at Action Sports. You can see that right there, Bakersfield. Yeah. So the back, I probably got like 40 air in it, 40 pounds psi, whatever. But I don't have a lot in that one. I got like 55 up here in the front. This one's see if you can see it down the side. But I don't know what the back is. I think it's the back's like a 1 point. It's a 2.10. In the back, the front's a 2.25. So as you can tell, I'm bigger in the front, bigger in the back. It's 20.75 top tube. Got a little dent right there. Nice. The bars I probably got like a week ago. They're nice. They feel real comfortable. They're easy to lift up. They're 8.2 rise. Probably like 25 something on the width. I don't know. They're pretty wide. I know it has a 1 degree back sweep. The nicer spin. Took off my gyro last week. You guys can tell. So I haven't done a bike check in almost a year. So yeah, pivotal. Let's go over. It's nice. It's nice. I like it. Weighs like 23, 24 pounds. Picks up real easy. Alright.